Recording this, are you?
So I don't only wake up to my puppy being in my bed.
Right now.
Reno.
Reno! She don't want to listen right now.
I wake up to her and she's slapping me in the face. This is not cool.
Reno! Reno! Reno!
Stop it.
Reno, look at the camera!
Reno.
She don't care.
Reno.
She's like, I don't care.
Reno.
Why are you looking at me? I don't care. I want to bite my butt.
Good morning, everyone.
Good night is what he means.
No, good morning.
Good night!
It's 11:30 in the morning.
No, it's not. It's 11:30 at night.
Oh, I wish. Okay. Oh, hello there! Where's that laugh come from? Oh my, look, I've changed and, look at that, there's Alicia.
Why do you always take that thing out?
This thing?
Yes.
I don't know, I just feel like it needs to be open. Hi. So what are we gonna do? We are watching YouTube videos. Yay, YouTube videos.
Hallelujah.
We're actually watching, what's it called?
Simpsons Cap?
Simpsons, yeah. Simon's Cap.
Simon Simpson, whatever.
We are actually watching, like, the entire series. I'm just sitting here on my bed with...
2 girls.
That sounds really bad.
2 kids.
That sounds even worse. I'm watching the videos on my phone, and they just migrated in here to watch the videos with me. So,
Hey, I was the first one who started watching the videos with him.
My hair's doing something crazy today. It's like... The curls are there.
I like curls, okay?
Sierra has baby hair.
What?
Sierra has poofy hair.
Don't tell them that! Why did you tell them that?
Well, anyways, we're gonna go watch these videos. I will talk to you later. I'm actually thinking about going to Bridget's tonight.
No!
Yeah, I'm gonna go swim, and eat some hamburgers and drink some alcohol. They're hitting me because I want to go have fun. Anyways, I will talk to you all later. Goodbye.
Hi.
Look who decided to come join us.
Oh my god, her eyes are so
Flexi.
No,
And then there she goes.
Nope.
Flexi.
Flexi.
Flexi. Yep.
Ow!
Gosh, this is so pretty.
Flexi.
Look how
Hi.
blue her eye is.
Blue and black. I know, isn't she pretty? She's my puppy. Oh, ow, ow, ow.
Get off of his stomach! Disgusting. Look, come here. Mwah. Mwah.
Is the camera her eyes? Oh gosh.
I love
Ow.
my dogs.
She bit me.
Sure, girl, sure.
It did. I went like this.
Hello there, everyone.
Hello, internet people that I have no idea who you are. Hi, Mom. If you're watching this at all, I don't know. I'm just saying, okay? Show them the dogs. Show them the dogs.
Vegas and Reno.
So cute.
So, guess where I ended up at? Walmart. Again. I don't know. I just keep ended up here. Oh, look who's with me. Her and her thumbs up. You guys should thumbs up the video, just because Bridget always gives a thumbs up whenever you see her. I don't know why. We made it to Bridget's apartment, and look where her cat is hanging out at. Oh my god. Josie, what are you doing? Hello? She's like, I like it here. Let's see what she does when I go to pet her. Hi. Hi. Bridget! Oh my god. She's like, help! That'll teach her a lesson. At the poolside, Yeah, I wear a shirt in the pool. Get over it. And I got my alcohol of wine. It's pretty awesome. There's people here that we don't want to see.
You don't like water.
Oh my god, Bridget. The camera got that. Say it again. I'm gonna make you talk. This is why I love my life through phone case. Hey guys, so guess what I'm watching right now? Mean Girls! Bridget's making some hamburgers on the grill. And, just hanging out. Bridget.
I don't know if it's ready.
Just, just take them out. Help! So I arrive at home and I lay on the couch and she freaks out that I'm home and look where she ends up. In my lap. Reno. Oh, Reno. Hello, my puppy. So I would like to just show you guys how awesome she is. She missed me. I was only gone for a couple hours. Hello, everyone. So I'm going to edit this video now because tomorrow I don't know if I'll have time. Lots of things happening. Hanging out with Bridget and someone else I used to work with, Chris. And yeah, but I would like to tell you that I hope you guys have a good day. And I hope I have a good day tomorrow too. But I hope you guys have a good day. I had a good day, and I will talk to you later. Goodbye.